Hello, I'm Marcus Brix with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Last week, ethanol production fell from 954,000 barrels per day to 902,000. This reduction lends strength to the seasonal downtrend in ethanol production started in June. Production tends to slow after peak gasoline demand early summer and picks up again in the fall once new crop corn starts coming off the field. USDA's July supply and demand report left 2013-2014 corn used for ethanol unchanged at 5.075 billion bushels. CattleFax analysis suggests that after above-average summer production, that number could be revised another 50 million bushels higher. 2014-2015 corn for ethanol is currently estimated to be 5.05 billion bushels. Ethanol remains a profitable option for extracting more value from cheap corn, especially recently with large volumes of gasoline production. A gallon of ethanol is currently returning roughly 45 cents a profit. Earlier this summer, China announced its ban on imported U.S. dried distillers grain due to alleged mistrust of certain U.S. corn hybrids. Prior to this, China was accounting for 34% of U.S. distillers grain export demand. The export volume data from USDA's Foreign Ag Service won't reflect the ban until September. Demand loss, when coupled with already larger supplies of DDGs from increased ethanol production, led to a large break in distillers grain prices. The U.S. Grains Council reports the price for a metric ton of DDGs free on board in the Gulf is down 12% from July 3rd. Weekly dry distillers grain price as a percentage of corn price is roughly down 10%, making it more attractive as a feed source. Fed cattle values were $3 to $4 per hundredweight lower than last week. Live basis sales in the north were recorded at $159 to $160 per hundredweight. Dress trade was recorded at $252 to $255 per hundred. Sales in the south were recorded at $160 to $161 per hundredweight live. Box beef values were lower this week due to resistance from buyers during the slower portion of summer demand. Feeder cattle were $2 to $5 per hundredweight stronger this week. Calves were $6 to $10 higher. Slaughter cows were steady to $5 higher this week. Corn traded steady to lower as a majority of the Corn Belt saw profitable rain. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.